Welcome to the iGUIDE Feature Sheet Creator. In this demonstration, I'm going to show you how to access the Feature Sheet Creator and how to use it. I'll make a feature sheet and save it so you can see the whole process start to finish. The Feature Sheet Creator will allow you to easily make and customize brochures with images, floor plans, and branding taken directly from the iGUIDE. Click the link in the iGUIDE report and you'll be taken to a separate page that will auto-populate with data taken directly from the iGUIDE. Let's start by making a feature sheet for web use only. First, you'll want to choose your page layout. You can choose 2 pages or 4 pages. You have the option of 2 different fonts and you can change the background color. Next, you'll want to make changes to the text on the front cover. You can modify the address or add custom text. You can also add a custom banner if you wish. This is done by clicking the checkbox and selecting an image file from your computer. You'll need to select which floor plans you want to display. This is done by checking the corresponding boxes. For this demonstration, I'm just going to show the main floor and the second floor. The final step is to choose your images. This is done by clicking once on an image in the gallery and clicking on the empty spaces on the sample. Keep doing this until every space is filled with an image. If you would like to make feature sheets for print use, you can also add higher resolution images from your computer by clicking on the Choose Files button. This will allow you to have the highest resolution images possible for print. They will appear here in a separate box and be placed just like the other images. The last step is to click on the Create PDF button. A PDF document will be generated and saved to your computer. Here is the final product.